Hello, all the students of Standard 3. Good morning. I hope you all are well in this pandemic coronavirus. Please stay home, stay safe, spend your quality time with your family member. You can give your quality time in your study also. I hope whatever homework I am giving you in maths and science, you are doing it on time because whenever school is going to open, I am going to ask all the homework which I am giving you. So please be sincere and do all the homework on time. So today I will upload very short answer type question of chapter 6 in PDF file. So what you have to do, you have to go on school website and you have to download standard 3 PDF file chapter 6 and you have to complete that homework in your copy. Today I am going to teach you chapter 10 is new chapter measurement. 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 Measurement means see, when we go to buy some vegetables, some fruits, then we or if you want to buy, what we say, please bhaiya give me 1 kilo of potatoes, give me half a kilo of potato. So that we say measurement. When we go to any tailor shop and we say please do it 10 meter, 20 meter, 30 meter. So first we will measure length, measurement of length, where we use length, measurement of length. So length is the extent of something from one end to another. Length is the extent of something from one, like from here to here we can say length, and from here to here we can say breadth. This is length. Okay, this is known as length, and this is known as breadth. When we see a rectangle, okay, then this we say length, and this is also length, and this is also breadth, and this is breadth. So length is the extent of something from one end to another. Let's extend. If we start from this point, we have gone till this point. We can measure how long, how tall, or how far a thing is by measuring length. What we can measure with the help of length? How long, how far, how far, and how tall by with the help of what? With the help of length. This we can measure with the help of length. How long means to say, like I have 5.6 meter or centimeter. Far, how much far it is? 100 meter. Okay, 2 kilometer. How tall? Then 2 meter, 3 meter. So we can, but if we are going to buy a vegetable, can we tell? Are we telling that give me 1 meter fruit? No, we tell kg. So that kg will not come into measurement of length. That will go in measurement of mass. Okay, kilogram, milligram. Okay, that will here in length we talk about meter, kilometer, centimeter, millimeter, lots of there. But we have to focus mostly on these three. So a long time ago, people had different ways of measuring length. For example, length was measured using span, foot, and cubit. Yes, long time ago when there was no measuring tape was there, when there was no measuring scale was there. Now we are living in a modern day. So in modern day we have the instruments such as measuring tape, measuring scale. But long time ago people do not have any measuring tape, measuring scale. So what they do, they used to measure with the hand and span. They used to measure it using hand span, cubit, and foot. One on one I will tell. First I am going to tell you about hand span. Hand span means earlier people used to see if I have to measure from this to this length. So what they do, they measure like this. If it will come till here, they say 1 hand span. Earlier people used to measure like from this thumb to this hand span. This is known as hand span. They measure like this: 1, 2, 3, 3 and 5. So this is hand span. Now second is come foot. Foot. Your foot length. If they have to measure this, the how much far it is, then 1 4 2 4, like 1 4 2 4 3 4. They say from this chalk to this chalk distance is 50 foot, 60 foot. And next is come cubit. Cubit means distance from here, okay, from here to here, from this to this tip, like this. 1 cubit, okay, 2 cubit. Just you take 2 cubit, and again 1 cubit, 2 cubit, and 2.5. From here to here distance we call cubit. Earlier people used to measure like this only. Now different people had different square. Now in this, what happens actually in this measurement means, like if a child is there, and if it a child hand, it will be small. So my hand span is this much, and when child will measure it, it will come this much. So actually we do not get correct measurement from this type of method, because different people have different span, different people have different cubit, different people have different. So that was not correct method, but people used to follow it. Now what about 5 spans for one person, what 6 for another? Okay, like for my hand span is high. Now will from me also a bigger, taller man, when he will do, it will be more, it will go till 6. So this was not the good length. So the standard unit for length, a unit is a fixed quantity. For this we need actually a unit. For this all the proper measurement we need what? A unit was needed. A unit was needed. This unit will tell the correct. So a unit is a fixed quantity that is used as a standard of measurement. So a unit is a fixed quantity that is used as a standard of measurement. This was the correct form of measuring. Now day by day it changes, and the standard unit for length is standard unit for length is what? Meter. Later many scientists came and they found some measurement. So the length of ribbon would be measured in meters. Okay. Very small length such as length of your eraser can be measured in milliliter. Your eraser length that can be measured in millimeter. Your copy length that can be measured into centimeter. Okay. Length of your book can be measured in centimeter. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So length of your book can be measured in centimeter. Small, for small unit we take millimeter and centimeter. Long length such as the distance between two villages. Yes, long length. From this village to this village we take the long that kilometer. Kilometer means longer. For when we have to measure the distance between two villages, then we use this method, kilometer. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So these are the three forms. Okay, and now for length is usually measured using a ruler. Now in modern time we use ruler, meter rod, and a measuring tape. Now people modern day we use this type of not this. We use ruler, meter rod, and measuring tape. So here I am stopping. In next class I will go for measurement of mass.